In this video, I'll show you how to change your Valorant username. This will be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we get started, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps, and I truly appreciate it. To change your Valorant username, you'll need to do this through the Riot Games website rather than inside the game. So, open up any web browser on your PC and go to riotgames.com. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. Log in using the same Riot Games account you use for Valorant. You can sign in with your email address or through a connected account like Google, Apple, or Xbox if you've linked it. After signing in, move your mouse over your profile icon at the top right, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. The site may ask you to verify your login with a code sent to your email. If that happens, just enter the code to continue. You'll now be taken to your account management page. From here, select the Riot ID tab on the left-hand side. This section shows your Riot ID, which is your in-game display name for Valorant and all other Riot titles like League of Legends or Teamfight Tactics. Here, you'll see your current username and tagline. You can click on the Riot ID box to edit your username to whatever you want it to be, as long as it follows Riot's naming rules. You can also customize the tagline, the numbers or short code that appear after the hashtag symbol in your name. Once you're happy with your new username and tagline, scroll down and click Save Changes. A message will appear confirming that your Riot ID has been successfully updated. Just keep in mind that Riot only allows you to change your username once every 90 days. After updating it, the system will show you the exact date when you'll be able to change it again. So make sure you pick something you really like before saving. After that, you can close your browser, open up Valorant, and your new username will appear the next time you log in or play online. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Valorant username. It's a simple process, but it's done entirely through Riot's website instead of in the launcher or game itself. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please take a moment to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.